Hi everyone, today we're gonna install this counter in my knitting machine. I get this one on Amazon because it has a good reviews, but we will see, right? We need also, if you have in your house, what I'm gonna use here is this tape. It calls VHV here, tape. Because my boyfriend said it's really good with everything and it can help with this one. But if you don't have this tape, it's okay. I guess you can use a glue, but yeah, it's up to you. And we also need a screw. This one, it came with my machine, but maybe you have it in your house, right? But let's start. I'm gonna put this machine away. And now let's see this here. This stuff. This came here and it has some instructions. And here said we have this part. First of all, we gotta take off this one. And this is like the key thing. I will show you where we're going to attach. And as we see here in the picture, this is the right side is the part where we are going to install the sensor. This one has this product, this part that we are gonna use later. Don't throw it up. But if you have something else like elastic band, that can work. And this one came with those cables, and doesn't matter the color that you're gonna use. This is just for connect with the product. Don't worry about the colors. First of all, you gotta open here. Not all of it, just part of it. I'm gonna show you how much. Like this. You see the difference? Like you just leave it loose. And then we are gonna attach one in each one. It's up to you. I'll try it that you can see, and I can see too. Good. And now we're gonna here close it. Okay, here is it, right? You see? Good. Now it's connected. My previous counter was this one that came with the machine, but because I use a ground yarn, I guess it was too thick. My counter broke. This is just for your own use, but we don't gonna use this one. This one is just in case you don't feel like the glue doesn't attach properly with the machine, with the plastic of the machine. Let me show you. Here. If this material doesn't attach well, you just put this one inside, and maybe this will be easy for you for connect. Because we have this one already here, I would like to connect it in the same spot. We gotta turn it on and turn it off, and for try it, we gotta open it first. Here. I'm gonna do step by step. We are going to check the batteries. 1 and 2. I like to make sure how came all the pieces, because who knows. And this is the sides. We just open it here and check the battery. This is the negative, positive. Yeah, here's it. Now let's see. Put it on. Reset. Doesn't. Okay, now we're gonna close it again. Yeah, here's it. And I don't wanna use the glue right over here, because at some point I guess I have to replace the battery. That's why be careful. Put it right here. And here also you can see the counter working. Now let's get this tape separately there. Okay, we're just gonna cut part of it, right? And we're just gonna place it here, right in the middle. Ta-da! The paper. That's it. Now we're gonna place it over here, right over here. Yeah, and now you're gonna stick it super strong. Yeah, and that should be it. Of course, try to don't pull it so hard now, because it needs like an hour to be completely dried and sticky. Now that is there, we also are going to work with the stitches, sorry. And we always start with the last one, because here is like when they said, hey, 48 pins, and then start what new one, right? Day one. That's why I guess it is good if we use the white stitch, right? You can place it wherever you want, but I feel like this is the most smart way. Here we are going to put this one right over here. Okay, oopsie daisy. And we're gonna take this. I don't know if this one is the most better product, but we will see. Okay, I'm gonna try to make like a small piece here, just for the okay. And where did it go? Here. And again, doesn't matter the place that you put it on. We're just gonna put it here first, and you're just gonna smash it. Okay, here is it. Nice, right? Okay, now we're gonna place it. Let me try to put this one up. Right here, right here, right here. In the pink area, because this is the area that moves with the pin. For example, look, you see? It goes with the pin. Right? There is it. Nice. Now we're gonna put this one right here. Just gonna use this part here. Here. And now you just try to put it super strong, right? Look. Yes. And I'm gonna place it trying to be it's connected like this. There. Yes, I put it like this. It's up to you. And now we're gonna reset. Yes, and we're gonna try to see if it works. Okay, let's check the counter. When the white one pass 1, do you see? Let's check again. 2, perfect. Now when we check that everything is working, please save all the pieces just in case you need them. I just feel like this is an easy way to install the counter. Fold this one here, and then you are going to use this one, this plastic, and you're just going to close it super tight here. And because it's loose here and we don't want to remove all the time, you can stick this in one of your legs, or you can also place it over here, whatever works for you. Okay, I guess I'm gonna use also this tape because I have it a lot, but you need more ideas. I think You can use a band-aid here, I think so. I don't know, stick it with something else, but this one looks like it works for me. But for now, maybe it is better if I also use this part of the cable. Here. Can you see? You just close it very well. And we're just gonna place it over here, right? Nobody's gonna know. Smash it, smash it, smash it. Here is it. Now you're gonna stick well, and we can try it again. We just need to check the counter. These two in this moment. Now passing already. 3, good. Did you see? It's working well. Take care of your machine. Don't use a super thick yarn because you can break one of your stitches. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. I hope this works for you.